Interesting.
Shuffle it, wouldn't you?
Can they see us?
Yeah.
Nice bit of video.
Oh, yeah.
Is that a three?
Yeah.
Are you going to direct them over there then? To the... are we directing them or not? Where do we want them to go? Where ours is? Aim for that over there!
This side of the bridge! Over there!
You see where the kid is? Before the bridge! On the left, before the bridge!
We're the other side, but go before. There's loads of swans the other side. Don't break your arm! There's no way they're going to get across.
Oh, before...
You're not going to make it.
Smack into the side. Or after, if you like. They probably think they have to go there because all ours are there and they're not. We haven't actually explained that much. I don't even know if they're going to make it.
They're just going to stop in Hampton Load.
I don't even know if they're going to make it.
They've just totally ignored us, look.
Yeah, there. Yeah, no, they're trying.
They're trying, but they're doomed to an encounter with swans.
They're heading for swan paradise.
Horribly wrong. Did they threaten to break your arm, the swans?
Tell them, where are we going to tell them to go then?
Jay, go on the left!
Hey!
Before the bridge! Before the bridge!
Before the bridge!
The bridge!
Yeah, on the left! On the left!
On the left! Just there, before the bridge.
Like, you've got to move now. It's
Go! 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 Just aim for it. Aim for the trees.
Tree.
No,
Yeah.
No, not the bank.
No, but they're good. They're good. They're good. They're all right. They're all right. If they can hit the side to start with.
Look, Dicko's still there. Them trying to get into
Oh god, they're going upstream as well.
James, pull. Go the other way, James. Left.
In.
Yes.
in there. They're going to be serviced.
Oh no.
Paddle!
Grab the child.
Give it a good go.
Yeah. No, they're going to go on, paddle. No, don't stand on the Oh, right. And James.
That was good. That was a good effort, that was a good effort.
And Jordan stays dry.